Alright, so to connect the Flutterwave payment processor inside of your account is just once you access your Lazycom account, you go to Commerce section here, and then you want to locate payment settings. Now once you are inside of payment settings, you're going to see the different payment methods that you have, and right here you can see that we added Flutterwave and Stripe. So if you have Stripe, you can also connect to your account. So all you need to do here is go to where it says finish setup, and here you're going to see where it says enable Flutterwave, but there are a few things you need to get from your Flutterwave account, and that will be your live keys. Okay, so you want to remove the, you can see that it says test mode, so you want to remove it from test mode once you want to go live. So right here, all you need to do is to turn off this test mode as you're going live, and then you want to get your public keys and your secret key from your Flutterwave account. Flutterwave already has documentation on how to get those keys. You're going to find it inside of your Flutterwave account. If you don't know how to get your public key and your secret key, just ask them, shut them up, and they will show you exactly how you can get those keys. All right, and once you have that done, of course you can decide to enable it, but just leave it the way it is, right? Because you don't want to auto complete your order. Since you are doing physical products, you want to make sure that you shipped the product before you mark it as complete, right? So all you need to do, all of these things are just extra things that you can decide to add. Okay, they are not really necessary. Your custom title, your custom description, custom logo, all of those things are just extras. You must not add those things. The most important thing that you have to add here is going to be your live public key and your live secret key. Once you have that done, you can make your description here more elaborate to tell people exactly what this payment method is, right? And like I said, you want to enable, so you want to click here to enable Flutterwave on your account. Now another thing you want to do is that you can add this webhook inside of your, so you're going to, in your own account, you're going to see this webhook. This URL is a webhook that you can add to your Flutterwave account as well, right? This will want to make sure that every payment that comes in is properly verified, all right, to make sure that you're actually receiving the payments, right? Even though network issues happen, but with this webhook, they can easily verify that payment that is coming into your account, right? So that's just all you need to set up. Have this webhook added to your Flutterwave account, enable or remove it from test mode. Okay, now once you remove it from test mode, bring in your live public key and your live secret key from your Flutterwave account. Once you're done, you hit on save changes, and the payment processor will be, or the payment method will be added to your checkout process inside of your account or on your checkout page, right? So that's all you need to do to add this to your account.